Most of the modern world operates from a system of individualism, a system that puts the fate of the individual in the hands of the individual. If you are successful, it is because you worked hard and smart and you deserve it. If you're a failure, it is because you didn't and you deserve it. This system of thought and reasoning is widely endorsed by many of the world's leading cultures. It is the basis of capitalism and arguably the basis of human nature. It is the reason why we try, why we apply creativity, why we compete to progress humankind, because we believe that our actions determine our fate, that we all control the course of our own lives. But this begs the question, how in control are we really? How much stake should we place in the ideal that we are the sole driver of our life? It appears to be true that we humans do have some ability to influence the direction in which our life goes. Hard work, strategy, and ingenuity can increase the likeliness of achieving one's goals and desired lifestyle. But it also appears to be true that oftentimes what we want does not align with what we get, that life operates on its own wavelength, some amount out of reach from our volition and control. Fundamentally, we live in a reality that we do not fully understand, and as a result, there is an entire realm of uncertainty and arbitrariness associated with everything we experience, including our fortunes and misfortunes. We are not the sole pilots of our life. We cannot choose whom we are born to, or to avoid a tragedy, or to be tall or small, white or black, dumb or smart. We are all forced to submit to our DNA and the instances of luck or tragedy that we are exposed to in life. The truth is, things happen, for good or for bad. But oftentimes, things that happen just because they happen, not because of intent, but because of chance. And the things that happen out of chance hold the same amount of weight and influence on our lives as the things that happen out of intent. Humanity may operate out of individuality, but the universe operates from a place of collectivity. And so we must learn how to live with the burden of existing with an individualistic mind and culture while simultaneously existing within a collective reality. We should try to do everything in our power to influence our life. We should feel motivated and invigorated to work towards goals and success. But we should also acknowledge the realm of life that is beyond our control, so we can be reasonably indifferent towards the fortunes and misfortunes we experience, so we do not become disillusioned if our fate does not align with our intentions, or become inflated with narcissism if it does. It is not only our achievements that matter. Wealthy or poor, smart or foolish, famous or unknown, we all remain in the same boat, just as confused and as vulnerable to life as the next. Our quality of life depends on our ability to admit this, roll with the punches, and stay inspired to pursue success for the mere sake of the pursuit, to function partly as an observer of our own life, whose primary objective is to be entertained by life's uncertainty for both the good and the bad. Thank you for watching. If you found enjoyment and value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you are not already, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We are constantly coming out with new videos to help you experience life with clarity and wonder.